What's up? Welcome to the first episode of Scrap That Shit. I'm your host, Steve the Scrounger. Found a couple of these. Gonna get into them, watch many videos of people using grinding discs, plasma cutter, cutting torch, all that happy horse shit. I got me a reciprocating saw and a blade from Harbor Freight. So let's do it. I like to cut below the weld. This band welded right here does the trick. Once it gets cutting, it's quick. You're not putting smoke and fire in the garage and all that stuff, so let's finish it. Cool is once you get in the groove, it just keeps going. Kind of messed it up there, but anyways. Whoa. This isn't the way. Try to use the whole blade so it don't wear out in one spot. Try to. There we go. Follow that groove around as best you can. Hopefully it meets up back where you started. I'm just not cooperating today. Alright. Raise it up a bit. Just trying to go on me. All right. That's it. Usually go a little smoother than that. This one was oily, and like they all are. Set it up. Off she comes. Cut your wires. And that's that. A few Torx head, little cap off, some copper in here, ready to go. Thanks.